Found the user guide of Mahabharata weapons. Kerala research makes an accidental discovery. In Trivandrum, ever wonder how our mythological superhero operates those deadly weapons? Chakras, Agni Astra, Varunastra, Brahmastra, Nagapash. Manuscript found from the collection of Stavaityan Vaidyamantam Cheriya Narayana Namboothri. It's a name. Astavaithyam Vaidya Madham Cheriya Narayana Namboothri, who passed away recently, clearly mentioning the mantras to use Brahmastra, Agniastra, among others. 63 folio manuscript in the palm leaves, believed to retrieved around 120 years ago, is the only manuscript retrieved as far as the country that tells how to use all the deadly weapons mentioned in the Mahabharata in about 48 well described mantras. It is Cherry Narayana Namboothiri wishes to digitalize all the manuscript, collect 1,300 bundles from the benefits for researchers, students, and future generation. This particular manuscript was noticed while we are digitalizing the collection using the most reliable method, reprogramming, called A.R. Krishna Kumar, project manager of Central Council of Research and Ayurveda Science, OCCR. Krishna Kumar is a part of a team from the Indira Gandhi National Center of Arts, New Delhi, has to be bestowed with the responsibility of digitalizing all the manuscripts available in both public and private parties in the country. People may wonder why the manuscript would be digitalized. Because they would throw light on our history, culture, customs, ancient religious best benefits, and giving information on environment, health, science in ancient times like Krishna Kumar. Till now, we have in use even use 50% of the information which is manuscript being written on Ayurveda. Yet Ayurveda is considered to be one of the most accepted medicine of the medicine in the world. I imagine the knowledge in the 5 lakh odd bundles of manuscripts are made available in the society. How much more efficient would Ayurveda would be? We had digitalized proportion of manuscripts. Portion of the manuscripts available in the library, colleges, universities, and other institutions in Kerala. Few years ago, when the second phase of initiative from Vaidyam at Vaidyam Madham at Mehatur in Palakkad district. Our next destination is Kanipayur Manna near Kunmankulam, famous Achu Sastra, architecture, science, and other centers has been hundreds of manufactured preserved with them. Thankfully, all of the private parties are now coming forward to share the knowledge they have been preserved from the past, said the senior reprographic officer IGNCA Krishna Kumar B. Krishna Kumar added that the knowledge in manuscripts is not limited only to subject of Ayurveda but covers nuances in the subsubject of chemistry, physics, astrology in detail.